Welcome to JIIU Charity. We've been building schools, hospitals, and community centers, installing borewells, hand pumps, and water tanks, extending educational scholarships, benefiting millions of poor patients, serving foods to widows and needy people, reaching out to displaced during natural calamities. All these projects are possible only through generous support from well-wishers like you. Now, we have made it easy for you to donate. Our Indian donors can contribute through State Bank of India and HDFC Bank accounts, while foreign donors can send it through this SBI account. Residents of UK can share their amount on this particular account. Online payments can also be made by logging on to jiiucharity.org. For further inquiries, you may call on +91 94231 83860. Thank you.